Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to prepare the glycerol stocks. Glycerol stock is a method which is used to store the bacterial culture for long period of time at minus 80 degrees Celsius. So in today's video, I will demonstrate how to prepare the glycerol stocks. Why we are using glycerol? Because glycerol is a cryoprotectant which does not allow to form the ice crystals. So if there are no ice crystals, the cells will be viable for longer period of time instead of storing with other chemicals. So that's why we are using the glycerol as a cryoprotectant. So what are the requirements for the preparation of glycerol stock? First, we need 50% glycerol, means we have to prepare 50% glycerol in a milky water followed by autoclaving it. So make sure it is sterile, and we need the overnight grown bacterial culture in appropriate antibiotics if you have plasmid inside your bacteria. In laminar airflow, we should prepare the glycerol stock because they should be sterile. In each glycerol stock vial, we need to add 300 microliter of glycerol followed by 700 microliter of culture, and make sure you label your tubes very well because you need to dip this glycerol stock vial in a liquid nitrogen, followed by you need to keep it at minus 80 degrees Celsius. So the labeling is important here, so make sure you label before preparing the glycerol stock. Make sure the bacterial culture is grown overnight in order to prepare glycerol stock. After adding 300 microliter of glycerol followed by 700 microliter of bacterial culture, vertex briefly to mix this bacterial culture and glycerol, followed by just dipping it into the minus liquid nitrogen for a brief amount of time. Then you can keep your glycerol stock at minus 80 degrees Celsius. Whenever you need this glycerol stock, you can restrict back. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries regarding this video or other videos, please comment down below. And thank you for watching my videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.